Let's understand 22nd sum. It says that Mitesh, Mihir, Siddharth and Prashant, they paid a restaurant bill unequally, means not equal. The ratio of amount paid by Mitesh to Mihir means Mitesh to Mihir का ratio दिया है 3:2. What about Siddharth? Siddharth paid half the amount paid by Mitesh. What about Prashant? Prashant paid 150 less than the amount paid by Mihir. So we need to find out the contribution of each. And they have also given the bill amount of rupees 2400. So let's see this now. See, first of all, it says that these are 4 people: Mitesh, Mihir, Sid and Prashant. Okay, so let's write it down. 22nd exercise 2.2. So there are 4 friends: Mitesh, Mihir, Siddharth, just write Sid, and Prashant. Okay. So the ratio of Mitesh to Mihir, the amount paid by Mitesh to Mihir is 3:2. We know that whenever the ratio is given, we assume X, because how much total, that we don't know, but out of total third part and out of total second part. So for that we need to assume X. Now, what about Sid? So Siddharth paid half the amount paid by Mitesh. So Siddharth paid half the amount paid by Mitesh, and Mitesh paid 3x. What about Prashant? So he paid 150 less than amount paid by Mihir, and Mihir paid 2x. Okay? So this is the ratio. Prashant paid this much, Siddharth paid this much, Mihir paid this much, and Mitesh paid this much. Okay? Now, this is the contribution, but we don't know the value of X and we know the total bill. So, what we will do is naturally 3x plus 2x plus 3x upon 2 plus 2x minus 150 is equal to, the total bill is 2400. So we will write 2400. Now, here there is upon 2, but here there is nothing. So this is upon 1, this is upon 1, and this is also upon 1, and this is also upon 1. Okay. Now, if we want to add, naturally we'll get LCM, because we know that with different denominators we cannot add the numbers. So LCM is 2. So naturally, if I want 2 here, I will have to multiply it with 2. And I cannot just multiply denominator. I have to multiply numerator as well. Similarly, this is 1. So here also, so I have to multiply this numerator. This is 2 only, so I'll just write 1 and I will multiply it with 1. Numerator also. Here also there is 1, so I will have to get 2. So naturally 2 will be here, and this numerator will be also multiplied with 2. Here also it is 1, I need to get 2, so I will multiply with 2, and naturally with this numerator also I will multiply with 2. Now, so by LCM 2, the new equation would be, see, 3 2s are 6x, 2 2s are 4x, 3 2s are, not, 3 1s are 3x, and this is also multiplied by 2, so 2x minus 150, and 24 2s are 4800, so this is 4800. Okay. Now, if I multiply this, if I add this, if I solve this, I will get 17x. So the total of this, this is 13x. So this is 13x. And if I solve this is, I can say 2 multiplied by this 2 also, and 2 multiplied by 150 also, right? So 2 2s are 4x minus 15 2s are 30. So this is 300 and this is 4800. Okay. So now 17x minus 300 is equal to 4800. So 17x is equal to 4800 plus 300. Okay, so 17x is equal to 5100. So x is equal to 5100 upon 17. So x is equal to 300. So the value of x is 300. They have asked you that find the contribution of each. Now we know that contribution of each is this. So we'll just plug in the value of x in this and we will get the amount contributed by each of them. Okay. So Mitesh, he contributed 3x. So 3 into 300, it will be 900. Okay. Then Mihir, he contributed 2x. So 2 into 300. So this is 600. Then Sid, 3x upon 2. So 3 into 300 upon 2. So your amount is, if you solve this, 150. So this is 450. And Prashant, 2x minus 150. So 2x means 2 into 300 minus 150. So 600 minus 150, it would be 450. So this is also 450. And if you add them, you will get 2400. Okay. If you add all this amount, 900 plus 600 plus 450 plus 450, the total of this is 2400. So they each contributed to the total bill amount and this is our answer. So this is correct.